Hey everybody, today we're going to check out a Shasta. This is Bev. And Bev, what model Shasta is this?
This is a 1970 Shasta LoFlyte.
LoFlyte, and that's F-L-Y-T-E, right?
Yes, right.
Okay.
Right here.
Oh, here it is. Okay. So that's the model. And I love her little sticker there, her decal. This is in really good condition as I'm seeing it now. So what was it like when you bought it?
Thank you. We bought it. It was in original condition. The owner had a dog that had found a corner to relieve itself, and he was a smoker. So it was very dark and dingy and musty. So I just decided to just redo it and make it my own.
So the paint looks all new. You painted it yourself?
I did. I painted it. I used a roller.
Okay.
And Rust-Oleum type paint with hardener in it.
Oh, okay. So that makes it last longer, I'm assuming.
Yes. And it's got its flaws where we taped off to put some clear coat.
Okay, let's go inside and we'll see what's in there. What is this light? Is that just like an outside light?
This is a porch light.
A porch light, okay.
Yes.
I haven't seen one like that before.
And we didn't have time to clean her up before we came up here, but yes, that's our porch light.
Okay, we are at a rally.
I'm going to cut in front of you. Yes, step inside. I'll turn on some lights for you.
Okay. I like the floor. And I love this table. Now I know that's not original. What is that, like a little dining room table?
A very dear friend that helped with the lighting on the camper, she had this in her house. She brought it down. She says, I've got a table for Agnes. I said, I can't take your table. She says, you will. She says, it's this perfect color. It was too long for this area. So we took we repositioned the legs, put the leg up front so you can actually get in without difficulty.
Good idea.
And my husband bolted it from underneath.
Okay, good idea.
And the same.
And you have all your storage up top and a cute little light. Let me see this light. Isn't that cute?
That was another idea from the gal that did the lighting. She said, let's give her some personality.
And what, your camper is named Agnes?
Agnes May.
My mother's name is Agnes.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
We were sitting in here in the camper trying to figure out a name for her.
We have enough light.
Oh,
we're good.
Okay.
Yeah. They call my mom Aggie.
Aggie.
Yeah.
If this is Agnes May, she's lost some
Look at
stuff.
this.
But we put the air conditioner.
Lots of storage.
There is a lot of storage. Got
the
electrical panels down here. They did put that there, and of course a messy closet, but there's a wardrobe closet there.
Oh, I have those pajamas.
I think everybody has those
of 'em.
pajamas. There's storage under the benches, and there's storage.
A microwave and fridge on this side. It's really cute.
Thank you. And then the air conditioner.
It's almost shabby chic farmhouse mixed together.
Right.
Yeah.
It is. The plan came, I found the curtain fabric at a now closed Hancock fabric store.
Uh-huh.
And I love the colors in it. I said a little bit of barn red, the mustard, the black. But we enjoy. She hasn't been out a whole lot, and but we're going to start taking her out more.
Really nice job.
Thank you. And she's got some flaws in her, but you know what?
Yeah, I call mine perfectly imperfect. Now, did you have to do the floor? Was it rotted?
No, the floor was actually in good shape, but it had that, when we pulled up the old linoleum, it had that kind of black felt stuff. So my husband came in with a grinder and got the floor presentable where this could go down. And this is just that stick-on.
Okay, it looks really good.
Thank you.
I really like it. Now, how long is this?
It's, I want to say 15. I've seen anywhere from 15 to 16 on it.
Okay, and do you know what it weighs?
Now, I don't know what it weighs now because the cabinetry, he used plywood on the cabinetry. So it's heavier.
So your husband built all the cabinets?
No, we had a fella that he gave me a quote on to do the cabinets, and the ceiling and the walls. It was a fabulous quote. He bit off more than he could chew. He started on it. He got probably 3/4 of the kitchen cabinets done. I had all the framing in. And he just told me, I can't do any more. He says it was more that he could handle. He'd never done a camper. But he got me to the point where I could take off. And we did the walls and we did the ceiling. And And it was a labor of love, many hours after dark outside, which you know, because you've got a lot of time in yours.
Yeah, so how does your air conditioner vent?
It vents out to the ground.
Okay.
We have a hole probably three inches in the floor with screen on it. And then my husband built a shroud to go from the back of the air conditioner to direct all that hot air to the ground.
Okay.
And of course, that was when we lived in Florida. If there is an issue when we use it, he said he can put little computer fans in there that would direct the air. But the air works real good, because we've heard people say, if you put it there, you're not going to get it cool. But it's worked.
Okay. And it looks good there.
I just wish I had a bathroom, but you know what? It is what it is.
Yeah, so show me your bathroom setup. We'll go outside and see this.
Okay, let me
make sure it's presentable. It's right by the creek here.
Yes, it is.
Okay, so this is her bathroom tent.
Because sometimes the bathrooms are a little walk in the middle of the night.
And there's the porta potty.
And if the weather's bad when we go to bed, that can come inside, because it is a flushable, self-contained. We love that little toilet.
Mm-hmm.
And
breaks it's a Thetford.
Thetford. It breaks. It's a flush. Everything goes in the gray part at the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
You unhook it, separate it, you take it up to the dump station.
So you have they call it a cassette toilet. I have one of those too.
Yes, and they are wonderful. We bought this, I think, with the very first camper we have, and I said that will never leave.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and this is good, so you have your privacy.
Yes, and if you want to change back here, you can. If you've been swimming or something, you don't want to go in with wet clothes.
And you're a member of Tin Can Tourist?
Yes, ma'am, we sure are. Been a member probably about six years.
Okay.
We had a 57 Airstream, which we do not have anymore.
Let's see this side. So you've got your water hooked up, and there's your drain into the bucket. You got your wings. Are those original wings?
No, well, they are original, but they were not to her. I found those out it was either Montana or Wyoming.
Okay.
And somebody said, I've got them, I'll send them to you, and send them a check. But the rock guard was original to it. All the glass was fine on the camper when we bought it.
And what year is it?
This is a 70.
A 70. So that glass lasted a long time.
Yes, it really, all the reflector lights, those are all new. It's amazing where you can find things, with vintage shops and truck stores. And
now, did you make your little banner here?
I did.
I need to make one of those for mine, and there's her name.
Yes, some of her lettering's
coming off.
I need to. I've got the kit at home. And but she's got some little dents in her, but you know what? That's
personality.
It does.
Yeah.
But she's especially fun for 1. 2 people can fit in there comfortably, so
yeah. So it's a good size.
Yeah, so we hope to be at more rallies, and now that we've relocated.
All right. Well, thank you for showing it to us.
Well, Doreen, thank you for stopping by and coming to see Agnes.
You're welcome. All right, everybody, give this a thumbs up if you haven't already, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more. You see that little sprite right there? That's on a different video. I'm not sure which one we'll post first. And also, I will be filming this one and that one. Lots more here at the rally. See you on the next one. Bye.